Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to restrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Ever had someone in Messenger you don't want to block, but also don't want to deal with? Maybe they message too much or you just need space. Good news, Messenger has a hidden feature called restrict. It quietly limits interaction without notifying the other person. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it, plus a few extra tips most people don't know. So open the Messenger app, tap the conversation of the person you want to restrict. At the top of the screen, tap their name or profile. This opens the chat settings menu. Scroll down until you see restrict. Tap it, then confirm by selecting restrict account. And once done, the conversation disappears from your main inbox. So let's go back and see. So as you can see, that person is no longer in my inbox. Now for the second method, if you want a faster method, you can go to your chat list, find the conversation, press and hold, then tap on restrict depending on your device, then confirm the action. So this method is perfect when you want to act quickly without opening the chat. Tap on settings, tap on privacy and safety, scroll down until you see restricted profiles and tap on it. Now select the person you want to unrestrict, then tap on unrestrict at the bottom. And their chat will return to your main inbox like normal. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about restricting someone on Messenger. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.